welcome back. Today I have yet another package. It came to me by Suncoast Picker. He's a good friend of mine and a great subscriber of my channel and a great supporter. He sent me this package early last week, and like all the other ones, I wasn't able to get into them because I was sick and whatnot. This is something he sent me as a token of appreciation for me helping him out with some locks and basically like a little starter kit of tools and stuff like that to help him getting into the lock sport. And hopefully when he gets back home that he will get a channel together, and he had asked if I can help him do that as well, and of course I will. And so without further ado, let's see what he sent us. And Suncoast Picker, man, thanks a lot for this and your friendship and everything that we've been through and discussed, via email and text and whatnot. You're a really good friend. I appreciate your support, and hopefully there's nothing in here that I'm gonna cut open. And excuse me, because there's something that was attached to this. Sorry, I have a little note here. It says, my good buddy, I almost said my name, Suncoast Picker. I'm reading it myself here before I read it out loud. Basically, what he has here, he sent to me as a token of appreciation and thanks for my friendship, to him, and other things I don't want to say out loud, but he did say the deal is you have to at least pick the padlock on camera, okay, and maybe say who it's from. Your friend, I don't want to say his first name, but his Suncoast Picker. Stay calm and pick on, as I say. He didn't give me permission to say his name, but at the same time he says he wants me to say for whom it's from. So I think I will. Larry, thanks a lot, my man, for this package. And he wants me to pick a padlock that he has in here as a well, how can I say? As I can't think of the word, but anyhow, he wants me to pick this padlock. But before I do that, let me get everything out of here. Oh, cool. Cool, some more tools. What? Nah, that can't be. This has to be just a box that he used to put something in here. I can't get that open. I can't, it won't slide out, whatever it is. Excuse me, I'm trying to cut this without cutting whatever the box is for myself. Man, he used some real strong duct tape. Nah, That's not what it is. It can't be. It can't be what it is. Smartwatch. But I'm pretty sure he used this box for something else. So let's see. Holy crap. Nah. Larry, no, man. Just nah. You gotta be kidding me. Music player, USB, notifications, hands-free. Basically, I can make calls and everything from this. Wow. Larry, this is too much, man. Wow. Now I thought of what I was trying to say. He wants me to pick this on camera so I can earn this. Larry, this is too much. Suncoast Picker, this is too much, man. I am, wow. I'm really blown away by this. Wow, this is going to be a lot of fun to play with. I love gadgets. I really do, man. And some cobalt tools. Awesome, man. I can never have enough, man. Never. Thank you. And what else is in here? If I can get into it. Oh, sorry. That's right. Mess with the best and die like the rest. That's right, Semper Fi. Oh crap, I haven't seen one of these in ages. Oh wow. A P38. If you guys wondering what this is, it's a can opener. Yeah, my gosh. For back in the day, sea rations. Now they call them something else. Awesome. And what else we got here? Oh, cool. Cone picks. Maybe I can use this to pick open that Chinese lock, huh? That padlock you got me. Would that be fair? Wow, cool, man. Cool. Nice, nice. Oh, what's this? Oh, H&H. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This I can leave in my car. Yeah, I don't want to bend this all out of proportion here. Oh, wow, got a rake. Let's see, let me undo that before I pull that. Got a city rake. Got a oh, come on, man. I'm going to scream here in a minute. Oh, gosh, come on. Got a city rake, S rake. That looks like a standard hook. No, a little deep hook. a DeForest, looked like half ball. A half ball and a looked like a nice sized full diamond. They need some work, but yeah, man. Larry, you really went out of your way, man. You really went out of your way, man. You went above and beyond. Look at that. Wow. I'll work on these. No, I can't get that in there. Thought I had it. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I'll keep that in my car, man. Heck yeah. All right. Well, make sure I didn't put anything else in there. A couple of hundreds. Nah, just kidding, Larry. This is enough, man. This is really... This is mind-blowing, man. Wow, Larry. Wow. This is really, really generous of you. Especially this bad boy. You know what? I think I'm gonna plug it in right now so I can, because I know it needs to be charged. Give me a quick second, guys. Charge this bad boy up. Get in there. Oh, come on. Oh, wrong one. That's why. Captain, this studio strikes again. Okay. And it's charging. Cool. It's talking to me. All right, let me close this knife, this blade up, although I'm Puerto Rican, but I can still cut myself. And again, thanks for this advice. Whoever sent it to me. Man, man, man. All right. Where's the job is? Here's the keys. Oh, my Lord. Patience. There's the bitting. It's a 5-pinner. All right. He must know something about this lock that I don't. Because he's like, you have to get into it. You have to pick it. Oh, you can't see there. Yeah, I just gotta learn how to set the camera now for this new vise. I have a new vise, you know. Don't drink, don't smoke. Get it? Vise. All right. Sure, yeah, okay. just do that. I'm not getting any feedback. No feedback whatsoever from this thing. Like everything's dead. Like wow. Nothing. Larry, I think you got me stumped here, Larry. Wow, this might be my first fail. Wow. What time? It just hit 17 minutes. I'll try. Let's get rid of that thing. Try a couple more times. Couple more times. Nothing happens. I got stumped by a $3 padlock. Well, I'm not saying it was $3, but you know what I mean. I mean nothing. Wow. I think you got me, man. You got me by the downhill drag. Holy frijoles. Never failed. But I'm sure it won't be the last time. Wow. I'll go to the 20-minute mark and then that's it. Wow. Larry, what you doing to my reputation? Like I have one. When it comes to picking, I'm the last person on the totem pole in this community. Wow. I mean, light, tension, heavy tension, stay at ease, no tension. I mean, wow. You gotta be kidding me. Wow. Well, I had hit the 20-minute mark. Well, my first fail. Larry, you got me, my man. You must know something about this lock that I sure didn't. And Sure Guard, I guess it's worthy of its name. All right, everyone, and Larry, thank you so much, man, for these awesome gifts, man. Especially that watch, uh, this wallet. That pit. That P38. That is. Wow. This is awesome, Larry. Guys, when he starts his channel up, please, man, subscribe to him. It'll be under Suncoast Pickers. Larry, again, thanks for this. The lock that humiliated me for the first time. Everything you sent me, man, it's awesome. Your friendship, it's worth more than anything you can send me, man. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching. I want to thank everyone for their wishes on me getting better. I'm not there yet. May have to make a couple more calls to doctors and whatnot, but you guys don't want to hear that. But anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. Please share, like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also, keep it safe, keep it legal. And as always, stay calm and pick on. And Larry, thanks a lot. And by the way, Suncoast Picker, 5/14/2017, and pick on camera. Well, I attempted on camera anyway. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a good one. Peace out.